everything to be an underground king. Underground king. I sacrifice everything to be an underground king.
What it do, kings and queens? It's your boy, the UP King, the People's Champ, and we back with another video. And today we working on these headlights, man. These things are beat up, faded out, and we just want to see if we can give them some new life, man. To put them back on the vehicle and fresh and new and clean. I know a lot of people ask me to do videos like this, so today that's what we are going to do. So first things first, I'm gonna get these things cleaned up with a little soap and water, get that lens all cleaned up, ready to go. Then we're gonna move on to the next step. Let's go. All right, next, I just got an old piece of 800 grit, and let me show you that. Just got some 800 grit, sandpaper, wet or dry. I'm just gonna take that water bottle with straight water in it, no dishwashing liquid or anything. And I'm just gonna go over both of these surfaces and sand them out and see if we can get some of that fade off. So here we go. All right, so I went over them with a 400 grit, but they didn't clean up as well as I liked. So I dropped down to a 400, going back over the lens again. Then I'm gonna go one more time with the 800, trying to smooth it out just a little bit more before we jump into the clear process. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock out this 400. All right, kings and queens, so after some rubbing down with some 400 and some 800, I think we got them pretty good. And you tell me what you think so far. Now, there's many ways of doing this process. I've seen people doing a lot of different ways. So this is just one way on how I'm doing them. But if you have developed something that you enjoy doing with these headlights after they get faded out, let me know in the comments what you like to do. Like I said, I just went over with some 400 and some 800 grit, cleaned them up. We finna get everything set up to clear, because that's what we're doing next. We're just gonna clear them out and see how well they come out. So with all that being said, let's jump right into it. All right, kings and queens. So we back. We got the headlights getting ready to be cleared, and we got the R500 with a little clear in it. Link will be in the description for the R500. And hey, let's just get to it. We ain't gonna hold you long. Let's go. spraying it clear as you saw. Now tell me what you think. Jump in the comments and tell me what you think. Now these are just some old used headlights on a 2014 Equinox. They were just dulled out, faded out, and we just want to make them look a little bit better. We're doing some other work to the Equinox, and wanted to look like a nice little finished project when we're done. So went ahead, cleared the headlights to make them look good. So jump in the comments, tell me what you think about them. All right, kings and queens, so hopefully this video helps you out, just like I hope all the other videos help you out. Appreciate everybody subscribing to the channel, showing love, showing support, telling me about your projects, and hopefully this video right here is another video that helps you out on your projects. We gotta get them done. We gotta keep working. We gotta see that finished product. And this right here might just help you finish up your headlights, make them look good to put them on that finished project that you've been working so hard on. So, I'm gonna get back to work. I gotta finish up this Equinox that I'm working on. But we got one thing knocked down. We're gonna keep on working and get to that Equinox, and hopefully we'll get that painted and we'll show you what we're working on. So, it is your boy, the UP King, the People's Champ, and we out.
Everything